Turning now to tracking the tropics, we're keeping a close eye on Tropical Storm Elsa for you. It was downgraded earlier today from hurricane status. The Grand Strand, though, does remain in that cone of uncertainty tonight. Meteorologist Brittany Trumpy joining me now with what we're tracking tonight and the latest on Elsa's path. And Brittany, that storm is kind of falling apart and stalling out a little bit.
Yeah, Elsa has just laid on the brakes earlier, and for the past couple of days, she has been moving relatively quickly at about 28 to almost 30 miles per hour. Right now, she has slowed down to a crawl, only 17 miles per hour, but she's also not looking very well organized. She had 70-mile-per-hour winds earlier this afternoon after she got downgraded to a tropical storm. Now she's looking at 65 miles per hour. If we take a look, you can see that center of rotation kind of sitting just east of Jamaica right now. As far as the cone is concerned, the timing has changed, but the overall path has not really. Since she's starting to move a little bit slower, she's not going to be moving over Cuba until about Monday morning. That means that her arrival time for us here in the Grand Strand and in the Palmetto State, that's backing up to about Wednesday evening. Now, the certainty with the models, that has been a little bit all over the place for the past couple of days. There's been a wide spread on whether or not this was going to be an East Coast storm or a Gulf storm. Good news is those models have been coming closer to closer with agreement on this storm actually moving into the Gulf, being on the western coast of Florida, and then moving up towards our area. Now, either way, she is going to be pretty close to the water, though, so the land-water interaction, she's still going to have the ability to stay pretty strong and maintain that tropical storm strength as she moves through our area. But as far as the timing is concerned, we're not going to be seeing the effects until about Wednesday afternoon. That's going to play a big factor in our forecast for next week. I'll have more details on that coming up.